We're seeing an acceleration of consumption of cloud services. So more and more people at a faster and faster rate are moving their applications from their on-premises systems to the cloud.
Cloud-based support is critical because it doesn't really matter where your application is being hosted, whether it's in the cloud, whether it's on-premise, whether it's at a partner site, or whether it's via a traditional private cloud. Customers want support regardless of their deployment option.
When you're dealing with niche solutions, a lot of times, you don't want to acquire the talent in-house to have to deal with that, right? So to minimize that, you go to a cloud solution, and they're providing, again, not only all the software and infrastructure, but they're also providing that managed service talent as well.
Obviously, when picking out your solution, you've got to look at costs across the board, not just the cost of setup, but the cost of maintenance and all those other pieces as well. So for us, the cost of the cloud is a great investment for us, and we're seeing a great return on investment because we've shortened down those development times and the implementation times significantly.
So LoadSpring's been perfecting project management since 1999. I personally have worked with LoadSpring since about 2005, and you've continually seen the evolution of the offerings, the solutions, and the tools that LoadSpring develops for our clients.
Every customer is different. Each one has requirements on security or on different applications or on regions that users are connecting in from. So our solutions are flexible enough to help meet their demands for support, for uptime, and for performance.
Why are people moving to the cloud so rapidly? I think they're really tired of paying high maintenance costs, having to have IT staff dedicated, having that security vulnerability, waking up every night wondering, are hackers trying to get into my data center? I better just give this to somebody else and let it be their problem.
The industry needs a solution set that isn't necessarily from one vendor. They need products from multiple different vendors, and oftentimes need different versions of those products. So LoadSpring is the really only company that can provide that full suite of applications for multiple vendors in one simple location.
When I'm looking for a cloud solution provider, I'm looking for somebody who's got an excellent product in terms of functionality, has premiums, it has good support, and I have to be able to explain the security. So those are the things that I look for in a cloud.
We're a mid-market company, rapidly growing. So I'm adding 30% to my workforce each year. I need a system that's going to be able to keep up with that. 30% increase in my workforce means 30% increase in all of my contracts, means a 30% increase in all of my vendors, means that every year I'm adding 30% to my business in all aspects, and scalability is critical to be able to deal with all of that.
We love to use the phrase that our customers dominate the cloud, particularly because the cloud we bring to them and build for them is their cloud, their applications, their integrations, their identity management and disaster recovery options. It's what they need that makes them dominate the cloud.